Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Exploding Kittens. It's pretty much like a card game on the phone, any electronic device. Okay, so I'll show you the tutorial first, just so you know what's going on when I'm playing. So, there are several exploding kittens in the draw pile. To win the game, don't draw an exploding kitten. To see what a card does, just tap on it. To play a card, drag it to the discard pile. To end your turn, drag a card from the discard pile. That's it. Remember, the goal of the game is to avoid drawing an exploding kitten. So, I'm gonna make my name Evan with 3. Then I'm gonna change my avatar to this green. Okay, so you can play with friends, but since none of my friends have this game, then I'm just gonna play online. And there's also other cards and decks you can get, but right now I don't have them. I will soon. All 3 of them have the blue guy. Okay, so let's play. So I'm playing to get Mustis, Life, Wolf Game, and PP, I think it is. Okay. So while he's going, I'll show you what these do. So this ends your turn and makes another guy, another player, have 1 turn. This, it skips your turn. Oh, he just got an exploding kitten and he died. So he's out. Oh, it's my turn. And so this, it just reverses the order. So I'm going to draw. And then I got another reverse. Okay. So, and you can also chat and stuff. Like say hi. And like if somebody gets a bad card or something. Okay, so I gotta steal a card. So so the dead guy's talking. That's funny. I gotta steal a card, so that forces another player to give a card of their choosing. And so I'm gonna do that. So I'm going to do it to this guy, Mustis. And he gives me a draw from the bottom. And since I use this steal, I get to go again, and I'm gonna use his draw from the bottom. And I get another steal. And it's the same color also, or the same picture. I think I might play 1 or 2 games. Oh, he just double slapped him, so now Mustis has to go again. Twice. Next turn, I think I'm gonna use the steal on Mustis and try to get wait, actually I'm gonna use it on Wolfgang and I'm gonna try to get his cards down. In the See the Future, it lets you see the top few cards, and since it has ×3, you can see the top 3 cards. I'm going to use this on Wolfgang, and let's see what our turn is. Let's do that. Okay, and then I get another steal. Taco Cat, that looks funny. It looks like some weird thing that's coming out from Taco Bell soon. Oop, that guy died. I like how there's a chance of kitten thing in the left middle, and it has the percentage of how much percentage you have of getting an exploding kitten. That's really cool. I'm gonna use this on life and steal one of his cards, and then let's see how our turn goes from there. Okay. I think I'm gonna draw. Ooh, and I get a shuffle. Okay. I think I'm gonna reverse. Gonna slap this guy so that it's his turn. Oh, you wanna play that game? So if he double slaps me after I slap him, then it adds the turns up. So I'm gonna slap him back, and it adds all the turns up. Oh, he got the exploding kitten. Oh, he used a defuse. So whenever you get an exploding kitten, you can use a defuse card so that you don't blow up. And so it's still his turn. So whenever you get an exploding kitten, you can decide. Oh, he put it on top, and he put the exploding kitten on top and got himself. So once you can use the defuse on the exploding kitten once you get one, and then it will make you choose where you put the exploding kitten in the deck. I think I'm gonna use a reverse next turn. Yep. It's funny how the cat's driving the car in that picture. And then I think I'm gonna slap this guy. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna have to draw. I think I lost. Yep. Good game. Good game. I lost. You have exploded. Let's finish the rest of this game and see who wins. Good luck, guys. I think Wolfgang lost. Yep. Life wins. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you want me to play this again, leave a comment. Bye.